Welcome back to Michigan Outlaws for another garage day. We got a good one today for you. We're gonna put the light bar on from Auxbeam. We got an RGB light bar this time, so it's different than the one that Chris and Jake got. This is gonna be a sweet build. Stay tuned. All right, got another box from Auxbeam here. Got a light bar sent to us. This one's a little bit different than the one Chris and Jake got though. This is RGB one. It'll light up all different colors. Can't wait to see it when it's on. I got this, and I got the wiring harness here all ready to go. I did have to order some new brackets to hold it on. I want to see if I can get it up on the roof there, so I needed some bottom mounts instead of the side mounts that it came with. So yeah, let's get this thing on and see how it looks. All right, so update time here. We got two different style of mounts. Because I thought that I wasn't going to be able to use this side mount here that mounts here, so I bought these kind of like bottom mounts, but I can't get it to work with this light bar. There's no like grooves cut out to where I can put that in there, and there's no threaded holes in there in the back here for this to even screw into. So I'm just gonna have to go back to the side mounts, and with the side mounts I can use something like this that I got for these to just go around the roll cage and then get that side bar or that side mount mounted onto there to go to the light bar up here. So yeah, I'm gonna test that theory out right now by taking the light pods out, move those mounts up top, put that light bar on, see if it works, and if it does, I'll just buy two more of these, put my light pods back on. So let's see if it works.
A few moments later.
All right, well, I don't know.
Nothing's ever perfect.
No, it's not gonna be perfect. Kind of just doing it how I can to get it done today. Basically, I'm gonna need some of these mounts here that I had my light pods on, and I was able to just mount this one directly, or bolt this one directly to the mount, and over on that side, it's onto the side mount that came with the light bar. So it'll be a tiny bit off center, shift it over, but that's the only way we could make it work. If we tried to do the side mount on both of them, it was just going to be a couple inches short. So now that we figured that out, we're going to take these mounts off, put them up top, and then mount the light bar to it. Well, we're going to make this work. Look, it doesn't look pretty, but it's up there and it's level, and it'll put light out in front of me. That's all that matters. So I'm just finishing tightening it all up real quick, and then I gotta get to the wiring part. Another unfortunate thing is this cord here has this end on it right here, and that end I cannot get it to fit through the hole to come out through the roll cage here, so I guess I'm just gonna have to zip tie it down the roll cage until I figure out something else for it. I might be able to cut it and just splice the wires in once they're ran through, but that's a project for a different time. I just kind of want to get this up and going, so maybe it's a next winter project. We'll see. I'm gonna get these tightened up real quick and then get to the wiring part, and then it should be all done. All right, so we are to the wiring stage. I just got this wired into my handy little plug-in here that goes into that pulse bar. So I'm just gonna heat gun them up to get that heat shrink on there, and then plug it in, and it should work. Let's find out if I did this right. Just like that. Let's see if I did it right.
I'm gonna roast a marshmallow with that thing.
Yeah, it worked pretty good. All right, got that wiring all hooked up here. So I put it right here on my pulse bar. I got one empty spot there in case I want to do a winch or something in the future like that. But yeah, we got it up here. Just gonna have to do all that wire management here in a bit. But yeah, let's see if it lights up here. Oh yeah, that's bright. So we got white here, and then we got colors here. This is the RGB. So if I go on my phone here, I got an app, and I can spin it to whatever color I want, or there's different presets, like this one just goes through all the different colors. You can choose the speed on it on the app, like whether you want it really slow or if you want it really fast. And then there's different ones, like this one just pulses red. You can do different colors. Ooh, a little red, blue. So yeah, you can do a lot of, wow, that's interesting. There's just a lot of different ones on here. That one's just flashing, okay. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. It goes all different kinds of colors. Like if you're at a party or something like that, you can just have it flash in a bunch of colors. And then white for when you need it off trail. Sorry to my camera lady. She just got blinded a little bit.
I should have known.
That's that for that. Got it all mounted. It works. So I'm just gonna have to do some wire management in here. Get all this cleaned up, zip tied up, get it all out of the way, and then put that dash back on. And then I am gonna have to buy 2 more of these mounts up here because I stole them for my light pods. So I'll get 2 more of those and get those light pods mounted back up in that same position that they were. And then yeah, put the dash together and then it's all good to go. I did actually, I'm gonna change out the switch. So this is the switch that it came with. It's just a 3-position one, but I want to get some rocker switches like these ones so that it matches everything. And plus it's already got a spot for rocker switches, so you might as well. I bought one, but it was only a 2-position one, and now it needs to be 3 because it's got the white light off and then the colored lights. So I got to get a new switch for that and those mounts, get those all on this week, and it'll be all ready to go. I called the dealership to get in line for that fix for the recall on these things. Needs a new fuel pump assembly, so I just gotta wait to hear back from them. I don't know how long that's gonna take, but hopefully not too long. Get this thing all buttoned up, ready for them, take it there, have that new fuel pump put on, and then I should be good to go. So I cannot wait to get this thing out riding again. It's been way too long. Caleb and Jake are actually out today at Rocks and Valleys. I don't know when that video is gonna come out, whether it's before this one or after this one, but they're having a good time. I wish I was out there with them. Can't wait to get back to riding. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. Click all the links down below. We got links to Auxbeam. We got links to our merch site, our Patreon, where you can see videos early, extra content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.